Good morning, traders. It is 9:27, almost 9:28 now, 2 minutes before the market opens. It is November 16th, Monday. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I've got 3 stocks on my watch list right now, and I did this on Friday as well. I've got them all up here at once. This is the watch list pane in Webull, and if you go from like this list view to this grid view, it gives you like a nice, easy way to watch a bunch of stocks all at one time. And the idea is that I can watch these all right at the open, and I won't take a trade from this page, but once I see the one that I want to take a trade on, then I quickly go to my trade page and trade from there. So I just have like some key levels marked out, like the high of the pre-market and not necessarily the low. I guess, yeah, like this one's the low of the pre-market because this is aftermarket on Friday. So that just gives me a basic idea of what the stock is doing like right when the bell opens, and does it have, say, like more potential to go up in price or down in price. And, that's just kind of based on where the price is in relationship to these highs and lows. Like this one's almost dead in the center. So it's got a little bit more upward potential than down. And same thing with CBAT. Actually, all of them are like that. Now, that doesn't mean they're going to go up, though. They could do whatever they want. This is the stock market. There's no rules. So the best thing to do is just take a look here. I used to take like the break of the 929 candle, like when the market opens, catch the stock going up, and that works sometimes, but it seemed like, at least for a while there, was failing way too often. And even with a tight stop, you generally take a pretty big hit because you can't really stop out fast enough. So here we go. The market is open. Let's see. I'm just watching all 3. I'm going to decide which one that I want to try to take a trade on. I'm going to change my screen in about 30 seconds after 9:30. And if I have time to put in a stop limit order, I will. Otherwise, so I kind of like what this one is doing, ATHE. If it breaks 298, oops, wrong screen. All right, I'm in. Man, I can't see anything. I'm going to get out half there. Then I'm going to ride the rest of it until either it hits my entry or it continues higher, and then I might have time to put in a stop order. So you got to get ready, because if it comes down, I want to sell the rest. Otherwise, I'm going to put in, let's see, just a regular stop order. Okay, so I got out there. I went up a little bit above my entry just to protect my profit, because if I go right to break even, then I actually lose a little bit just because, let's see, did I get out or not? I canceled my order. Shit. All right, now I'm out. So that's not good. That screwed me. Damn. So I guess, yeah, the problem with these stop orders, that maybe I won't do that again, because man, it's a good thing that I realized it as quickly as I did, because look what happened here. The problem with those stop orders is that if you move them up while the price is moving down, if it doesn't have enough time to kind of reset, it can cancel the order. And that's exactly what happened there. So that's not really, I don't think that's like a Webull thing. That's, any broker, if you're moving your order while the price is moving, there's a chance that your order could get rejected. So that sucks. I might have lost money on that trade because of that. But either way, I mean, that if that's what happened, then, that was like a good lesson for me and you guys. So it looks like I lost 9 cents on those. Unfortunately, that was the majority of the shares. So I probably did lose money on that trade. I caught 20 cents here. So what is that? 40 cents. And then 9 cents times 3, 27 cents. So I'm still green on the trade, but I definitely, that stinks, man, because you see, I tried to sell it at my break even. So my trading, my actual trading plan, would have kept me a lot greener in that trade. And because, I mean, again, I'm not blaming the broker here, but that stop order thing screwed me, and maybe I have to blame myself even more because I did have it originally at my entry, which is really my plan, is to sell at my entry. And I should have either stuck to that, or when I put the order in, put it a few cents higher if that's really where I wanted to get out. Because look what happened now. I didn't get out where I wanted to because, that, whatever you want to call it, just a mistake on my part. Excuse me. But let's go. Yeah, now this thing's taken off, but that's okay. I'm already done with my trade for this session. I only take one trade per session. This way I don't FOMO trade into something and then get stuck and another flush down. No matter what this does, I don't really care. I'm not worried about it. Let's go to my account and see. This looks like I lost 58 cents, but I guarantee you it's just because, this thing's bouncing around. These are included in my daily. These are long-term holds, and these stocks bounce around all day long. So that's not my real. Let's go to today's trades. Yeah, you see that's from Dollar General. This was my pre-market trade, and this was the trade that I just took. I only made 12 cents, unfortunately, because of that error on my part with the with that stop loss. So I totally screwed that up. But hey, this is this is how we learn, right, guys? There's no perfect trading, and day trading isn't easy, especially at the open when things are happening fast. What I normally would have done was probably just use my hotkeys, and maybe that's what I should do because I'm really quick. I'm good with the hotkeys. But what I was trying to do was have the stop order out there so that I could ride the bottom of the 1 minute candles, assuming they continued to go up, because I got in over here, right? And then, man, it came down like right to where my, oh yeah, no, I'm sorry. This and eventually came down way lower, but so the idea was like, if these candles continued to go up, is that I could just slide the stop up at the bottom of those 1 minute candles, which probably really isn't a bad idea to do. I just started it too early because the stock was still, chopping around so much that it's not a good time to have a stop limit order in place or a stop order in place. It's better just to stick with the hotkeys at that point. And then if this thing establishes itself after, like, say, at least 2, maybe 3 1 minute candles, then you can get that stop order in and drag it up, at the close of each 1 minute candle. So hopefully I get to show you guys that one day. I'm sure I will. But today it just didn't quite work out. Luckily, I took, some of the profits on that first pop. Otherwise, that would have been a red trade. So at least it's not a red trade, 12 cents on that trade. So I'll have to take it because, it is what it is. But hey, the money that I lost on that trade, that was a good lesson. So, nothing is for free, including learning. So anyway, hope you guys are doing good out there. Be careful and always use your trading armor. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below, and take care.